Rough Country's new wheel-to-wheel Nerf steps provide unrelenting style and easier access to your truck. These steps extend from one wheel well opening to the next, offering a clean install that lends to the look of your lifted truck. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, locate the driver's side NERF step. To do so, look for the NERF step that has the shorter tail bend. The shorter end will go toward the front of the vehicle. Hold the NERF step up to the pinch weld on the body of the vehicle with the angled flange below the body. From the tip of the NERF step should be approximately 3/4 inches behind the fender well opening. If you have oversized tires, allow just enough clearance for steering. Make a mark through the slotted holes on the pinch weld with each bracket. Drill out each marked hole with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Important: make sure to drill dead center in the pinch weld, approximately 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the outside edge. Starting with the center bracket, align the slotted holes in the bracket with the pre-drilled holes in the pinch weld. Next, using the supplied bolts, insert through the aligned holes and finger tighten. With all bolts inserted into the 3 brackets, torque each bolt to 22 foot-pounds. Repeat the previous steps on the passenger side to complete your installation. As you can see, these steps can be installed on any vehicle with or without a body lift. Our innovative design actually hides any exposed frame you see under the truck, offering extra protection for your rocker panels.